So today we will be working on this model Chime 9. So it's a AAA 1.5 volts battery power this. Right, the customer gave me without the battery cover and it was already pulled by the customer. Right there, and 3 screws were missing, so I found 2 screws that can hold on the circuit board. Alright, so the customer already pulled this device already. The problem was that one of these battery terminal here were defective, it was rusty, so it had to remove from the circuit and it damaged. So I took this one out of our flashlight, so I'm going to use it to make the repair here. So this is going to be desoldered. Now if you look right here, if I put it right here, you notice it cannot fit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it and shape it so that it can fit in that slot, and then we can proceed to solder it. Alright, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so it has been cut to the size that I want it, so now it fits right in it. So what I'm going to do now is to remove the solder from right here so it can fit properly, and also slacken the screws so I can desolder this. Right, this piece here that is broken off. Yeah, so let me say this is the Chime 9. Alright, so let's get to that. So first I'm going to remove the solder from here. Alright, so I'm going to use this flux. Alright, taking a little bit, put it right here to remove this piece from the circuit. See guys, that piece was damaged. Alright, so now that is how it looks. So now I'm going to put this part now in. So now I am going to fix this right in this space here. Hold on. Alright, so I had to trim it down more in order to fit properly. So here I'm doing it. Alright. Alright, so that is how it looks. Alright, see right there. So I'm going to make some solder here. So I'm going to take some right there, bring it back a little. Alright, and apply some solder to it. Alright, here I go. Hold on. Hold on, fix it properly. Alright, so I'll fix it properly. Alright, so there we go. What I did, because I'm soldering it keep on lifting up, so what I do, I use a screw to hold the circuit board in place, alright, in order to get a better connection. Alright, so I'm going to put another screw here. Alright, so now you can see put in the other screw. So now I'm going to plug in the speaker now. Alright, so here is a negative and this part here is a positive. So the negative lead of this power supply right here. So I'm going to put a negative lead here. So it's 4.5 volts, guys, because one AAA battery is 1.5, so you times that by 3 and you get 4.5. See it right here. So the positive lead now is going right here, and then listen to it. You see the red light coming up. Alright, hear that? Alright, so if you guys like this fix, please leave a like, comment and share, and ensure you subscribe to this channel. Alright, so I'm just going to fit it up.